Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can find the full address using Google Maps. So guys, open your Google Maps location, and after that guys, what you have to do is on the search bar on Google Map, just click for example this New York location, and after that guys, choose your place. For example, this place, New York, as you can see here, or East Orange. And click this, zoom this place, and you can zoom. For example guys, this is your address, and just click this one, this location guys. As you can see here, this is full address guys, with the postal code, with the station, with phone number. As you can see here, this is address, and you can view the street here guys easily with Google Maps, and you can choose this easily, and you can choose any place you want to do. And this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below and comment here, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.